definitely keep your crystal stay on your place. Okay, floating the top coat, no wipe top coat on the top. And you don't want to spread your bristle, just really floating on the top. I say floating because you don't want to pull all the condensed glue gels away. And with this, you can use hold on, where is my tray? Wait, I have the colors right here. So with Trifecta, you are getting the mix of all the colors. I'm gonna add some red. Add some more red. And you can definitely dress up yours ornaments here. Oh, I love it. You can add more. The colors of the holo green is everything. That's it. You want just really simple. You don't want to be too much. And you know, I can dress them all like with the line, with the strings of the ornaments, however you would like. Simple. Here for 60 seconds. I would be so cool to make those ornaments with the yes, that would be cool though, Dom. So like you can add it on. Okay, so moving on the next one. This is really simple, easy for everyone. And then next one. Floating and no wipe top coat on the top. And add some crystal on. I'm just gonna add just some sparkle on it. This is like really simple, and it's fun and it's easiest on earth. The design you can definitely achieve with. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my god, the red-nosed reindeer. So adorable. Here for 60 seconds. You know what? Here. The snow. Good. This one is done. Oh my god, this is the easiest nails funs that we can do for the holiday. All right, going on to the third one. So a lot of you will say, oh my gosh, who's gonna wear all these nails that you did, Nancy? It's like, you can definitely doing it simple as you would like to, but it doesn't have to be, it's plain. You can having fun, and life is too short to just being a simple. But then if you are going to doing a simple nail, you can still have fun. It doesn't have to be, it means that funs can be a plain nails, you know. Come on, holidays is fun, and you don't have to wait to do so holiday nails. Just do every day. Your nails can be pretty and fancy. It can be fancy in so many different ways. It can be natural colors with some crystal on, natural colors with some chamfer foil or sticker on, however, or the gel painting. All right, folding on. And the clients will be so happy because some clients, like, they don't want to have is really crystal on it. Definitely you can able to, I'm trying to get the, can you try to get some star for me?
Which star?
Look in the frame. on my glow in the dark crystal kits.
Okay. And Robinson, so if you need to get any product that Nancy using, head over to our website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
I just put the star with the crystal. I've added some crystal in here along with the ornaments already there. So it's just using a really smaller. This is from the my mixed crystal that I got. It's from the crystal Trifecta. Or you can get it is number, I think it's number 137, which is the mix, all different colors. If you can't make up your minds like you want what colors, you get the pack of 137. This had everything that you might thinking of. It's okay, I don't need it. I am done. Thank you. I already got the star. It's stuck on my hair. Thank you, babe. It's stuck in my hair. The camera. It's my camera. All right. I don't know how's your end, but my ends look so beautiful. Here you go for Facebook. Hello. Honey, your nails. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. Snail by Melly. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Show me the 3.
Okay, then you're gonna cure for 60 seconds. I'm just gonna show cameras really quick before I'm curing. Oh my goodness. If you make a mess.